Hi, in this video, we will look at the following main character. Have you ever seen a small plant growing from a crack in the concrete? How does such a delicate thing break through such a hard surface? Apparently, there are microscopic cracks within the concrete where the roots of a plant can force their way in, creating even bigger cracks, eventually breaking the concrete. This can be an inspiring metaphor or a very expensive repair. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts the shape of a new sprout growing above the ground. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? This character is actually a combination of this character, which means ground, and this character, which means sprouts. New sprouts above the ground represent birth and life. This character means be born or life. It is used in these words: 医生, which means doctor, and 生日, which means birthday. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. From here, we will add a boat. If you are alive on a boat after battle, you have achieved victory. This character means victory. The ancient character depicts fierce men with torches in their hands, taking over a ship and achieving victory. It is used in this word, 胜利, which means win, victory, or triumph. Here's another character. Can you recognize the main character? The character on top means sun. A star is like a baby sun that was just born. This character means star. It is used in this word, 星期二, which means Sunday. On to the next character. Now let's add a character that means woman. In the ancient maternal society, a person was given a surname that identified which woman he or she was born from. This character means surname. It is used in this word, 贵姓, which means family name, surname, or last name. Here's the last character. Now let's add a character that means heart. Actions and behaviors that come out of someone's heart defines that person's nature. This character means nature. It is used in this word, 个性, which means individuality. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters, and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.